Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Twilight Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley, episode 11. We have some great progress on this project. I'm so excited to share with you. We have, the electricity is off right now. We're getting that electrical switchover happening today. Yay! That'll be so nice to get that piece of this puzzle all buttoned up and taken care of. Oh, let me show you around the space. Okay, friends, here we are in the kitchen. We do have this wall built. The beam is taken care of. It's in where it's supposed to be. The posts that are going to be covered in paneling are in place and ready for that. This 11-foot long island is going to be so fantastic in this space. Oh, I'm just so excited about that. And then that larger pantry just continues that wall and that line in this space. And that is going to make a huge impact, not only in the function of it, but in how seamless the transition looks. It's going to be as it was always meant to be this way. So it's fantastic. I'm just so excited about the design elements in the space planning here. That's the access to the laundry room now. Going to have a nice door on it to make it a little private. And then we've got our butler's pantry space. It's going to be so nice when we walk in the home and turn the corner on this space and see the mass of the kitchen and the dining room and the butler's pantry. Just so welcoming and so inviting. You can see we've got a temporary sink in place, and there was our footer for the new beam to be installed, all the things just to make it just right. And then you can see our plumbing trench has been infilled throughout the house. Here's our hall bathroom. Rough plumbing is complete. So we have our tub set and protected so that as people work in here, the tub doesn't get any damage to it. But all this is set up. We've got pictures on the wall for our cabinet installation, so everybody's very aware where the electrical's going associated with mirrors and cabinets. Here you can see the trench for this office space is infilled. Now it's a nice big open space for the homeowners to reimagine how they're going to use it. Here we are in the guest ensuite bathroom. The floor has been infilled. You can see all that concrete is nice and dry and curing as we go through this space, but it's looking so good in here. As we walk this hallway to the master bedroom suite, this is where we're infilling. This is where we're adding new short doors for this HVAC and hot water tank closet. Back in here, this is where our fireplace was, and now that wall is going to be covered up. Oh, we're going to be able to reimagine this large bedroom space, and we are in the process of deciding what size windows we should put on either side of this sliding glass door so that we can add just a little more light and interest to this wall, but light for the space. And the view is so nice outside. It'll be fantastic. We've got all of our plumbing rough-in is complete. We've got all of our water lines in the walls and behind the walls, all of our stub-outs for our new sink locations, our new electrical locations, even one down there for our new drawer outlet. That'll make that more accessible and easier to use with storing hairstyling products. But you can see this space is looking really, really good. We're excited for the progress here. They are infilling this trench outside. I'm going to open this window real quick just to show you through because I don't want to walk around there today. We're just going to show you through. All this plumbing trench back here and electrical trench has been infilled. All that dirt's being moved around. All that trenching was infilled. Going to make sure the irrigation works again. But doesn't that look, just such good progress. Such good progress, friends. For Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley, thank you for being on this journey with us. We really couldn't do it without you. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.